Guys, running Kimono here. So I have a great little deal here to get a 2 bags of toilet paper for like $5 and some change, which is really great using the Take 25 along with an IVC coupon. Couple curveballs I want to throw to you. As you know, they changed their whole system. The digital IVC now is of a one-time use. So if you use the digital IVC for this, sadly you can't do it this way, but you could still go into the store and scan it from the big book of savings. That's something new that they threw our way. And I believe the Take 25 is once per account as well. So they are really trying to curb the amount of times customers can use the digital coupons. And that's just the way it's going. And as we learn more about this program, the more information I'll have for you. So this specific deal is for a curbside pickup. So you can get the Scott's, toilet paper, paper towel, or the Kleenex, one of those three. If your store has a limit of 1 per person, obviously this isn't going to work for you, but if you can put 2 in a basket, this is definitely a deal that you should try to do. So looking at the Scott's toilet paper, it's $5. We have a $1.25 IVC coupon that you'll have to load digitally, plus the 25% off code. And I'll show you all that information here in a quick second. So for the purpose of our basket, we will add 2. And this is what the IVC coupon looks like. So you'll have to add it to your store card. So press that plus sign. And as you can see, our little toilet paper, it is in fact attaching. So this is of a one-time use. So if you're in store, get the cashier to scan the book. And then if you're going to load it digitally, you can only use it the one time. I've noticed this for the last couple of months, but for this one, it really kind of stinks because to have it digitally is definitely the way to go. But I get that a lot of you would load all these digitally. If you have a really mean or rude cashier, like why would you get her to scan 100 things out of that booklet? I get you. I feel you. I've been right beside you with this, but they're of a one-time use. So please don't shoot the messenger. I've noticed this trend in the last couple of months too. Okay, so here's our basket. We have our 2 toilet papers. Or if you want to get a toilet paper and a Kleenex or a toilet paper and a paper towel or 2 paper towels, hey, I'm not going to scream at you for that. But make sure that you get the 2 for $10. And we're also going to add this for a pickup. So either it's called curbside or a curbside pickup. You drive your car to Walgreens, you park it. They're going to have little spots for you to stop. And then you either call a number or you check in when you arrive there. And then an employee, within 10 minutes will come out with your bag of stuff and say, here you go, enjoy. They might not sound like that, but in my world, that's what they will say. They'll be like, here you go, miss, enjoy. So opt for this pickup. If you are paying for shipping, it's going to be like $5.99. So that's not really extreme couponing or saving. You want to have this pickup, and it's supposed to be contactless. So you just pop open your trunk, they'll throw it in the back, and you'll be on your merry little way. But this is what you want to do, guys, the pickup. Okay, so we have our IVC coupon that will come off first. So the $1.25 times 2 is $2.50 off. And then let's not forget you're typing in that Take 25, and there is no minimum balance to that. So $7.50 subtracting 25%, $1.88 is coming off. So if you stack those two together, I think you can see the really big savings that we're getting here on the toilet paper. So we went from $10 and we have $4.38 of savings. We're going to do that great little pickup, and you're going to have to pay your tax on this, obviously. So the estimated cost before tax is $5.62. This is pretty easy to do. And what is that, like $2.81 or 82 cents per 12 pack of toilet paper? I know that not everybody can do this because some states have really big restrictions, like your store is like 1 paper product per person per day. But I think here in rural Michigan, we can get up to 2. And yes, the notes of doom started showing up earlier in the week where it was like a limit of 2 because they don't want people like clearing the shelves, yet the shelves are kind of clear at some of the stores. So good luck with this one, guys. It's just a fire deal. Whenever we can get the Scott's toilet paper, paper towel, or Kleenex for this cost, it's definitely a stock up time. And you don't even need to go into the store. You just drive to the parking lot and they'll bring it out for you. How great is that? Last thing I want to talk about before I take off today is the L'Oreal deal. I know a lot of you were trying to get that $25 basket, and you weren't getting back your $8 of Walgreens cash. Now, Some of us did and some of you didn't. I suggested to throw in an extra $3 of Wet n Wild makeup so the math would balance, because it was showing it one way and then other people, they weren't getting it, but some of us got it. So if you use that 25% off code, you would dip way below the sum of $25. So that's why I didn't even suggest it specifically for this L'Oreal deal, because you want to get to $25 to get your $8 of Walgreens cash. But if you didn't get it, call customer service, because I know they've been working with a lot of people. And if you get somebody who's kind of grumpy, just call back, ask to speak to a manager, work with somebody who will work with you, or just return everything back to the store. Keep the lipstick, return everything else. Sorry about that, guys. It is a new program, so there's going to be a couple learning curves. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.